Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. I'm always in the kitchen giving you a different kind of recipe, healthy recipe where you can use at home in good time and also in bad time. You know what I mean? You know, a lot of people have been suffering with cold, flu, and I'm gonna give you a simple recipe where you can just make yourself this at home. Some ginger tea, warm up your body and warm up yourself and detoxing your body with some ginger tea. I'm always making ginger tea. I'm always leaving you an update and how you can make yourself a nice lovely ginger tea at home. This is just a simple like a recipe where you can do at home in your kitchen when you have some time. Sometimes I boil on my ginger, sometimes I just do it this kind of way. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. Please don't go anywhere. Watch this video. Or you can make yourself a simple ginger tea to warm up yourself and to get rid of cold and flu in this bad weather. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. New year, so we have to keep update with good recipe, guys. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically a very quick recipe from Chef Ricardo. So what I'm gonna do, I just boil my kettle and I'm got a glass right here. I have a nice lovely chunk piece of a ginger. Simple. Cut off a piece of a ginger, freshly like this and nice. Sometimes we do normally use the grater to grate the ginger. Use this side or this side and boil it off, but today we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is to simple remove the skin of the ginger. And I know you guys definitely can do this at home. Once you remove the skin of the ginger, just cut it up into dices. Put it straight inside of your glass. And I just boil my kettle and I'm gonna pour some hot water inside of it. Not only that, if you need more ginger, you can always add more ginger to it once you taste it. Then this is some honey. This is 100% natural honey. A recipe like this, guys, you have to do this, like drink this in the morning. You know, someone was asking me the other day, Chef Ricardo, what is good for my belly? What is good for my stomach? You know, Jamaican talking. You know what I mean? What is good for my belly or for my stomach? And then I was saying, just make some ginger tea. Nothing can beat this, guys. Really lovely and nice. So I just put a teaspoon on. I'm gonna put another half teaspoon. This honey is not like the one that I have in the shop which have a lot of sugar. This is a 100% natural honey. Let's taste it. That's perfect. This one side. That's exactly what I'm talking about. You guys can make that at home. And not only that, two things. You could either grate your ginger or you can either also boil off it. But if you want to do something very quickly, this is a recipe for you guys. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment in the description box. This is just a simple little recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. You know what I mean? That's if you're at home and you want to make yourself a nice lovely cup of ginger tea. That's a simple little recipe. Dice up the ginger, pour it into the cup, put some hot water inside of it, and you know you can drink that. The best time to drink this is in the morning before your breakfast, or you know what I mean, during the day. You can drink that as a hot cup of tea, or if in the evening when you come and sit down watching a little bit of TV, you can make this nice lovely cup of ginger tea. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning to Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. But not only that, if you like, you can also put the Jamaican white rum inside of it, roughly about half cork full, straight inside of it like that. That's the real Jamaican Ray and Neville rum, 100% Ray and Neville. You know what I mean? Don't drink and drive, please. If you know you're gonna drive, just be careful. Don't use this one because this one is very strong. All right? If you're not driving, that's fine. If you're at home, just relaxing, you can do this one, guys. Very 63% alcohol, so be careful with it. Jamaican Navy rum. Anyway, as you can see, just a cork full of it. That's it. Taste it. Drink this. Beat out the cold and the flu. You know what I mean? Because we're in such a bad time of the year. So enjoy it, and I will see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.